Hey, let me show you how you can use voice typing on the Redmi Note 15 and how you should set it up properly. So start by opening the settings on your phone. Now you have to scroll all the way down and go to the additional settings. Right now you will have to go into the languages and input. And right now you have to go into the manage keyboards. And here make sure that you turn on the Google voice typing and click on it to actually customize this. So first of all, you can change the language of that voice typing. As default, it will be the main language of your phone, but if you want to change it, you can do this for sure. But what is really important, then you should actually download the language pack for offline voice typing, because when you are not connected into the mobile data or Wi-Fi, this feature is not working. So if you want to make some notes when you are offline, you will be not able to do that. So click here to add a language and basically download the language that you want to use as offline. Now go back and make sure also to change this option for updates languages. Select mobile plus Wi-Fi, because when you are not connected to the Wi-Fi and there's some important updates, then it will be not downloaded. Then go to the advanced and just make sure that you have those languages over here. Now, I can also recommend you to turn off this option, block offensive words. And now, when we are here, we have to also go to the Gboard and we have to check for the voice typing if it is turned on over here. Next, you have to just open your keyboard. In this case, I'm gonna open Notes application just to show you how it works. And when we open the keyboard, we are looking for this microphone icon. When you click on it once, it will be activated. First of all, for the first usage, we have to grant permission to the microphone. Now let's repeat. Hey, this is the video where I'm showing you step by step how we can enable the voice typing on the Redmi Note 15, 4G and the 5G versions. As you can see now, if you want to wait, if you want to turn it off, you have to just click on this icon. And that's how we can properly use the voice typing on the Redmi Note 15.